You're late again, David. I've been waiting for 20 minutes.
I know. I'm really sorry. The traffic was terrible.
You always say that. You need to manage your time better.
You're right. I should have left earlier. My bad.
Good afternoon. Are you ready to order?
Yes, please. I'll have a cappuccino.
I'll take a black coffee. No sugar.
Sure. Anything else?
That's all for now. Thank you.
So, how's work? Still busy as usual?
Busy and stressful. I really needed this coffee break.
Same here. I've been working non-stop this week.
You should take a day off. You look exhausted.
I wish I could. Maybe this weekend.
Here's your cappuccino and your black coffee. Enjoy.
Thank you.
Thanks. Truce? Can we start over?
Fine, but next time you're buying the coffee.
Deal!